Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Eufy Security powerful floodlight camera with 2K and Full HD recording. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it. I will guide you through all the process from the start to the end, the setup and how we can use this camera from the app. Ooh, nice packaging, I like it. And there's the floodlight. Ooh. By the touch I can say it is a very good manufacturer. It feels very nice. Quite heavy. And nothing else at the box. 24/7 monitoring by Eufy Security. Place this sticker to let visitor know your property is monitored by Eufy Security. Okay, we will do that. Email for support. The manual, of course, if you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Now, at the box it comes with the installation hook, the junction box. Here you can install the cables for your power. Nice. We've got the central screw cap. It goes at the flow light here. And of course the screw, it goes from here and you can screw it the junction box. Another two screws for the junction box, for mounting permanently at the wall, concrete or at the wood. We've got some rubbers installed after installation of these screws, preventing any water to go inside of the junction box and avoid creating any problem with the power cable. And here we've got another 4 plate screws. Nice. Well, let's see, and the main unit now. We've got the 3 cables for connecting to the power. They go here. We've got the ground, the N and the L. And the floodlight, here you can see. Security warning, do not stare at the light directly. Do not place any flammable materials close to the light. Remove the light cover after floodlight mounting. Okay, great. Well, let's remove it now. And check out the LEDs. You can see, whoa, so many LEDs inside. I like it. Yep. And of course here you can adjust. You've got the adjustment screws for the headlights. Find the right position, screw it back, and you can see it will not move, it will stay there. And from here you can unscrew and rotate, and again find the right position. You want to light up the space, and then you can tighten it very well. It will not move. Great. The same and from this side. And next we've got here the motion sensor is here. Do not press the sensor. Remove after mounting on the wall. Great. And you can see, and that you can adjust it. You can rotate it. Find the right position. It has screws. Screw it. And it will tight and will not go anywhere. It will not rotate anymore. Eufy Security. Great. And in the center, remove this plastic film. And we've got the huge lens, the 2K resolution. We've got the microphone, the speaker, the LED, the night sensor. Everything is at the front. Field of view is 130 degrees. The motion sensor, it goes up to 20 meters and it can cover 270 degrees field of view. And the video storage, we've got 4 GB on the device. Nice, all that. And here we've got, of course, and the sync button. This is all rubber around. Prevent any water to go inside and damage the precious camera with the sensor. Nice. Overall, I can say it's very well manufactured. I like it, the shape, the quality of the materials are very well. Well, I think it's time to make the installation and see how it works. I already make the holes for the junction base. We've got the cable, we need the ground, it is the green yellow, the brown it is the live cable, and the blue it is the neutral. There is the base. You need to insert the cables at this rubber hole. We need 2 screws. Great. The electric installation now. Inside the box there is a mark with a neutral, the ground and the live cable. Let's start with a live cable. Of course, before installing any cables, switch off the main circuit breakers, ground and the neutral. We've got enough cable inside. Rubbers was included at the box. We need to hide the holes for the screws. And that's how we will have a very good sealed junction box. And you can see now how it looks. This should be the final installation. Now, if you don't have any clue how to do that, well, just call a professional electrician. And now it's time for the installation of the floodlight. Let's start with a live cable, ground cable, and then neutral. And we are okay. That was the electric installation. Now we need to install it. You can see at the back we've got this rubber around. It prevents to go any water inside. It will seal around with this plastic. Let's put the cables all inside. We are okay now. And now we need this big screw with a rubber around. Screwdriver, huge screw, and of course on the headlight it is massive, it is so big. And that was with the installation. Adjust the headlights in the right position. And the same for the sensor and the camera. You can rotate it, find the right position, all the way down, and rotate it. And that is the right position. Again, adjust the lights where you want to point. Whoa, that is a massive, huge camera sensor with the headlights. I like it. Okay, after finishing the installation, let's take out all the stickers and start the pairing process with my network. You need a 2.4 GHz network and the sensor, of course. Now let's download the Eufy Security app and start the pairing process. Eufy Security, add a device, choose the floodlight cam, and we need to scan the QR code at the base. Select region, USA or Canada, or non-USA or Canada, none. Next. Positioning location, recommended on the side wall, on the front wall. Okay, next. Learn how to install the junction box. I already show you that, guys. Plug the power cord of the floodlight cam into a power socket. Turn on the main circuit breaker. The status LED will be solid red. Next. Wait around 20 seconds for the floodlight camera status LED to flash red. It's flashing red.
Press the button on top until you hear a beep.
Press the sync button. It's flashing white. We need to choose the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, enter the password, confirm.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network, please wait. Setup was successful.
Your camera was added successfully. Next, assign the name to your floodlight cam, let's say garage. Next, and install it. Make sure your floodlight camera is mounted in the desired location and power on. Remove it and the sticker, of course we have done that. Start the test. Success, your floodlight cam has a solid Wi-Fi connection. Done. Preparing to play, we are live streaming now. And there I am. And we'll get instant notification to my smartphone, motion detected. Someone has been spotted. Yes, I am. Very fast notification with motion activated. And the quality is amazing. You can see everything very clear. You can record, stop recording, save it to phone album, take a screenshot and save it to phone album. You can enable the alarm manual. It will sound 30 seconds alarm. And now you can use the two-way audio communication. You can communicate with someone at the front door, in the place where is a camera, give him instruction, and I think the sound quality through the microphone of this camera, it is very good.
And now you can hear my voice through the speaker of this camera, and it sounds very loud. Definitely you will enjoy a very clear two-way audio communication.
And at any time you can turn off the auto night vision or turn it back on. You can go to the event and there you can see all the motion detection event that has been recorded in this Eufy internal storage. You can choose one, play of course, you can pause, you can delete, donate, share, or you can download and save it to your phone storage. Done. You can go back and choose other files and do the same thing. And of course you can zoom and unzoom and see better which person is in front of your camera. You can go to the settings. You can rename your camera. You can turn on or off your camera. You can turn off your LED status of your camera, turn it on. You can turn off or on your auto night vision. You can choose off no timestamp or logo, only timestamp or timestamp and logo. You can choose motion detection on or off. You can choose the active zone. Add. You can adjust in which area you want to have notification or you don't want to have notification. And add. Perfect. Very easy to control. You can edit and you can go back. Detection type, all motion or human only. You can choose the sensitivity from lowest to highest. You can test the motion detection mode. Just pass through the motion sensor and the camera will flash red and sounds beep when detects motion. Light settings. You can enable, disable the light. You can choose the brightness manual, the motion and the schedule. Motion trigger lights. You can enable, disable. Motion distance for lights, minimum, and you can see you can adjust it to the max. Timer for lights, you can choose from 30 seconds to 15 minutes. Let's say 1 minute, confirm. Light schedule, sunset to sunrise, flow lights turn on when sunset, and turn off when sunrise automatically. By turn it on, you need to choose where is the place, where is the camera. That's how it will know when it is the sunset or the sunrise. Add the schedule from to, and you can choose the days of the week and save. Control light by Alexa or Google Assistant. You can just say Alexa turn on the flow light, or okay Google turn on the flow light. Recording settings and clip if motion stops. You can turn on or off. Clip length from 30 seconds to 120 seconds. Retrigger interval from 0 to 30 seconds. Camera will not record during retrigger interval. Video quality, you can choose streaming quality from auto, high, medium to low. Let's leave it on high. Recording quality 2K HD or Full HD 1080p. Let's leave it on 2K. Audio settings, turn on or off the microphone. Audio recording, enable audio recording while recording videos, off or on. Speaker turn off or on. Adjust the speaker volume. Notification settings, choose most efficient or full effect or include thumbnails. Let's leave it full effect. Motion alert, choose the sound you want to be alert. Storage, local storage. You have a 4 GB of internal storage. You can clear format the storage. The camera, it will storage all the motion events at this storage. Cloud storage, you can buy a cloud storage. It is your choice what you want and where you want to storage your motion events. Wi-Fi connection, you can choose your Wi-Fi connection. Time settings, time format, mounting guide, guide how you can install your camera at the wall. Share the device, you can share the device to other members of your family. About device, you can make a firmware update, check your IP address, the MAC address, the serial number. You can restart the device and remove the device. And we can go back. And of course, you can use your device and as a security alarm. Let's go to security, backyard, and there you can choose home. You are at your home, away. You can see at away mode. You can adjust recording video when motion is detected, push notification, and camera alarm. That's how when a motion detected with this camera, it will notify you to your smartphone and it will trigger the alarm. And you will have the option to use it and as a security alarm. And you can choose disarm, home, away, geofencing, and schedule. And you can customize, of course, your own security alarm. And as I was talking, you have seen some of the footage at the day and at the night with the two powerful headlights or only with the auto night vision. In every scene, the video quality was very good. You can see everything very clear at the day and at the night. I like that it has so many adjustments from your smartphone. You can adjust everything to your needs. Clear two-way audio communication. If you need to buy it, you can check down below the description. You can find a link, just clicking, and you will find more information and where you can buy it. Eufy by Anker, it has so many products, you can check them, maybe you like something and just buy it. Well guys, that was all about. It was a great review, great product. Thumbs up. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.